Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to show you a latest design of Rakhi which is called Lumba Rakhi. This is specially designed for sister-in-law, and before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video instantly. So let's get started. The requirement which you need is a drawing sheet and foam sheet and silk thread, embroidery thread, some decorative item, glue and scissor and needle. For threading the decorative items, I have taken the needle. So here what you will do is, first you have to take a drawing sheet and you have to make it a semicircle. Then you make it as a cone pattern by with the help of this applying glue. So I covered up this cone with this silk thread and I just wave it. Then you have to thread this pearl and some beads, some different types of beads and some like diamond shape this hangings. Like this you have to thread to make this hanging pattern. So I have taken, which is available with me, decorative items. With that I am preparing. So it's like that you have to prepare. Already I prepared two and this is the third one which I am preparing. Actually earlier Lumba Rakhi is famous for only it's a trend in Gujarati and Punjabi families, but nowadays it's like catching with the people of entire India and becoming a part of on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. So all in East India, west side also this Lumba Rakhi is famous for both, like for bhabis also we are tying, but it's not in earlier it was not in the culture of in east or west part or south part, but now everybody is like using this Rakhi. So it's latest design. After that I have taken some golden thread and I cover up with this after silk thread so that it looks like little bit shiny and it's look attractive. And here I am taking this stone chain and here I am applying like this in the end part and this starting part. So like this you can make it with the help of glue, you can paste it. And I have taken this pearl like stickers and I am just pasting it. According to your choice you can design it, but which I got with that I make it and I designed it according to my choice, according to the availability of the things which I have. So this is the pattern. I'm doing it here, like I'm just decorating it. So this way you can do it. And here I put some golden color. I have taken this golden color bead and I'm just threading it. So now I'm just like putting inside this beads into this cone to make a design. So like this you can do it. And here I'm going to like thread some pearl and golden color pearl, so to make it like attractive. So that's it, this Lumba Rakhi is prepared now. So you can see this one, it's already done. And this is the way we can prepare. Just simply I prepared, and in the middle part I'm just it's like blank, so I'm just putting some more chips on it. It's like craft chips, I'm using it like stone kind of thing. So I'm just pasting it so that it looks shining and looks attractive. So here my Lumba Rakhi is prepared. Now I'm going to prepare Rakhi for brother, and I'm just going to do it by matching with this Lumba Rakhi. So for that purpose I have taken the form sheet and I cut it in this circular form. Then I'm just the same way I'm just waving this silk thread over it to do a pattern. And here I just from both side I just tie knots to tie this Rakhi, uh, and for this one is embroidery thread I have taken, because silk thread is very like very thin. It will be like it won't we can't able to tie it. For that purpose I have taken this um, embroidery thread. So this way you have to, from both side you have to take in. Then I'm going to, in the same pattern I have just taken this golden thread and I decorate it. Then I'm going to apply the stone, the same things which I already apply, I already decorated this Lumba Rakhi. So this same way I will decorate this one by matching that um, that Rakhi. So let's see how I'm doing it. The same decorative items I have taken to prepare this Rakhi also, because of matching with that Lumba Rakhi, and very simply I just prepared it. Um, for this waving this silk thread, it took time. Uh, Otherwise it's not very difficult to prepare. And here I have taken the stone chain, and in the middle one like pearl sticker, so that it looks nice. And from both sides I will tie it properly so that this ball will not fall down and it will be secure. So that's it, this Rakhi also prepared. And I will prepare this tool at last. To make it attractive I'm going to prepare one what is that, it's like hanging kind of thing. It's what we call So I have taken a cardboard, and here I'm just making it this like hanging pattern. So for that purpose I'm just weaving this silk thread, and in the middle I will tie, and I'll cut it from both sides. I'll take out from this cardboard, and I'll cut it from both sides. In middle you should tie so that it will be like sticky, so it's very silky that it's very difficult to hold in hand. See how it's coming out this one by one. So I tied it very difficultly, and here I'm going to I'm going to put this Rakhi thread, and at the end part, for more attractive purpose I am doing it. So here I am just tying the knot. That's all. So here you need to tie very carefully from both sides, and you give a finishing touch so that it looks attractive, and that's all. My both Rakhis are getting ready. So that's all for the video. Hope you guys are liked it. If you like, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.